Hey guys, well, today's message is not going to go too far. So I tried to do a monologue from Notebook. Let's see if I don't ever do it justice. I don't think I will, but maybe. Do you remember sneaking over here the first time you told me about this place? I got late that evening and my parents were furious when I finally came in. I can still picture my daddy standing in the living room, my mother on the sofa staring straight ahead. I swear they looked as if a family member had died. That was the first time my parents knew I was serious about you. My mother had a long talk with me that night. She said to me, sometimes our future is dictated by who we are, not what we want. And I know it was wrong of her to keep your letters from me, but just try to understand. Once we left, she probably thought it would be easier for me to just let go. In her mind, she was just trying to protect my feelings, and she probably thought the best way to do that was to hide the letters she sent. Not any of it matters now that I have Lon. He's handsome, charming, successful. He's kind of he makes me laugh, and I know he loves me in his own special way. But there's always been something missing in our relationship. The kind of love we had that summer. I don't know if that was any good to y'all. I hope it was. But tell me what you think. Bye.